Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You begin immediately by loosening the surface film. Use a light oil to break bond. Apply a teaspoon of mineral oil, baby oil, or olive oil and rub gently for 1-2 minutes. This penetrates paint binders and lifts pigment without harsh solvents. Once the paint softens, work with a soft toothbrush to dislodge flakes, making sure to keep pressure moderate to avoid skin abrasion. Rinse with warm water and mild soap to remove oil and suspended particles before moving to stronger steps. Once oil and scrubbing stop removing paint, switch to a controlled solvent. You should wet a cotton pad or cloth with acetone-free nail remover or 70% isopropyl alcohol and dab the stubborn areas. This dissolves resin and metal-based pigments. Make sure to test a tiny patch to avoid irritation and work in short bursts, 1 to 2 minutes, then rinse. If paint transfers, repeat gently. If it doesn't budge, stop and repeat oil reapplication before another solvent attempt to minimize skin damage. To finish, you must neutralize and repair the skin. Wash thoroughly with mild soap and cool water, then pat dry and apply a fragrance-free moisturizer to restore the skin barrier. If you experience redness, burning, or swelling, stop immediately, rinse with water for several minutes, and use a cool compress. Seek medical advice if symptoms persist. Once done, if color remains despite safe home methods, consider professional-grade paint remover used by a shop, but make sure a pro handles stronger chemicals.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.